What's up? Zinigami here. Have you seen acoustic foam? What is acoustic foam? That's all I'm gonna do with that bit. Hey! Thank you so much to our friends over at Arrowzoom.com for sending us these acoustic foams. I owed them this video for several months, and I've been a bad boy with COVID and a lot of personal things going on that's put down a lot of projects in the back burner, but I'm finally gonna get around to it. So thank you so much for sending out these acoustic foams. If you are looking to get a professional audio setup of your own at home, in a studio, whatever it is, acoustic foam really helps make those sounds a lot less tinnier. They're made to really capture and trap and reduce a lot of sounds that are echoing around in your room. You can use it for your podcast, you can use it for YouTube videos, you can use it for music. If you're doing any sort of audio recording, acoustic foam's definitely gonna help. You can use code AZ-Z, that's on the screen right there, and get 10% off any of their products over at Arrowzoom.com. I am using the 10-inch by 10-inch by 2-inch acoustic foam wedges. That's what we're going to be using. They're very similar to the ones that we have up there, but these are colorful. So we're going to spruce things up in our studio a little bit by replacing the ones up there right now with these in a slightly different layout. And I'll show you guys just how easy it is to install those. Now, if you don't know what acoustic foam is or what it does, I said it a little bit earlier, but it helps absorb all those resonant frequencies in your room. It's the difference between recording in a closet. If you go into your closet right now, I assume you have a closet, maybe you don't, I don't know how you live. Go into your closet, you'll notice all those clothes, all those hanging shirts and pants and whatever really makes everything sound a lot damper. Or hey, it's winter time right now, all the snow that might be falling outside makes all those really damp sounds, really helps make things sound like it doesn't echo, and that's what acoustic foam is for. It's helped to reduce a lot of the echo in your room. If you have an empty room, bare walls, hardwood floors, you're going to get a lot of that echoing, and it's going to show up in your audio recording. Having acoustic foam placed around all the walls, you don't have to have enough to cover every square inch, but as you start covering the walls, you're going to definitely notice a difference in how much sound is being reflected off of those walls. So included with our foam from Arrowzoom, we also got these little sticky pads. I find that the sticky pads, although nice and work, depending on your walls, my walls kind of don't like things sticking to them. The paint's a little bit waxy. So I usually end up reinforcing them by just taking a push pin and pushing a push pin right through the center of my foam. Keeps them up there no matter what's going on. If I bump into them, they stay up there. But these foam pads or these sticky pads are definitely a nice inclusion. And we'll try them out to see how I like them, but as they fall down, if they start falling down, I'll end up just using push pins to reinforce them, and it works out just great. And there we go, guys. It's my new setup. I'm wearing a different shirt, and things are slightly different because it is another day, and we ended up moving things around just slightly so it looked a little bit more centered on camera. But thank you so much again to Arrowzoom.com for sending us these lovely panels. Remember, you can use the link in the video description down below and use code AZ-Z to get 10% off any products on their website. I'm Zinigami. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all stay beautiful.